Hello friends, hopefully you are fine today. I got a new money website where you can mine BNB very easily and freely. Scroll down, you can see a decentralized BNB miner available for all of you, for all of us. Now more scroll down, you can see here how much affiliate program you will see and how much benefit you will get from here. Now more scroll down, trust palette about first start it will get from trust palette. Now more scroll down here, you can see a frequently asked question about this website. You can read out all this useful information very easily and authentically. Now more scroll down here, you can see how my people take benefit from this website. Each and everything is in front of you. You can see here 0.9755630 BNB paid out just right now in front of you. You can also check dates and time, each and everything about this money platform, earning platform. Latest deposit you can see here, latest withdrawal you can see over here. Now here you can see the total deposit 1600 BNB and total paid or 775 BNB from here. Only 2,60,000 users use this website. Now you can believe on it by just see its statistics. Now the question is that how can you reach here? I will provide the link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. Now how can you start your money? You need a BNB wallet address. Here you need to enter your BNB wallet address like this and click on register now option, and you can see your money will start it automatically without deposit, without any hesitation. Now as you can see, my money already start in this website. Now I have 40 hash rate power that's I will get from here right now. Now you can see here per day I got 19,000 BNB Satoshi, and in 1 week and in 1 month how much BNB I will get from here. Bounty program is also available from this website. If you click on it, then you can see that you will get a lot of time, a lot of bounty program from here. Now write a review about 4 to 5 stars and read out, put the link on your review in form below, and you will rewarded from here in 24 hours, and only one account per person is allowed in this website. Here you need to enter your review link and click on submit. Now you can get a lot of benefit, and write at least 2 comments on the Twitter and link your retweet over here, then click on submit. Now you can take from here right. Rewarded is about 0.005 BNB and 0.005 BNB and 0.004 BNB you will get from here. It's mean you can get a lot of benefit by just completing their bounty program. Now if you want to buy hash rate power, you can also buy hash rate power by just your miner, or you can also deposit here through your wallet. Now scroll down, you can see here if you want to get 56 TH hash rate power, then you have to deposit 0.18408376 BNB to enhance your earning speed, and 1 TH hash rate power is equal to 0.003828721, and you can see per day how much BNB you will get if you have 1 TH hash rate power. Now more scroll, click on buy power option now, and you can see that you have to make deposit here, not enough balance. It's mean here you have not enough balance to buy power. Now first of all you have to make deposit here to get a lot of benefit. Now the question is that how can you make deposit here? Now I am going to show you a way to make deposit in this website. Generate deposit address. Now you have to click over here deposit option, and it will bring you over here, and here you got a BNB wallet address. You have to copy this address, paste this address in another crypto wallet to deposit here your required amount to be able to enhance your earning speed in this website. You can make deposit and your deposit amount will be show over here. Then you have to click on buy power now option and scroll down. Here you need to enter your required amount to get how much TH you want to get, and you have to click on buy power now, and you can make your deposit through this way very easily and authentically. You will be update miner rank to professional perfect choice of crypto enthusiast from this website. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now if you want to get this type of more videos, you just need to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get notify yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.